Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the pultrusion process. This process is similar to a filament winding process that we have discussed in the previous video. So let's get into this video. Pultrusion process. Pultrusion is equal to pulling plus extrusion. It is a process whereas a preform is pulled through a heated die and cut into separate parts. In this, composite parts are manufactured by the pulling the layers of the fabrics or a preform impregnated with the resin through a heated die. You can see this process in this diagram. The thermoset filled with or coated with the resin is pulled through a heated die. Finally, it is cut off using a saw. It is possible to form the desired cross-sectional shape with no part length limitation because the major part occurs in this heated die only. So if we were to produce a square or a rectangular part, the heated die should be made square or rectangular. If it needs a circular, the heated die can be changed to a circular shape. This pultrusion is an automated, highly productive process of fabrication of the polymer matrix composites in form of a continuous long products, and this process consists of two phases: reinforcing fibers and a resin or a matrix. The reinforcing fibers are pulled from the reels and fiber coated with the resin is placed in the resin bath, and then it is pulled using a puller through a heated die. The major advantages are the high productivity, low manual labor cost, precise cross-section dimensions of the product, good surface quality. Then this is the simple diagram showing this pultrusion process. Fiber is wound in a reel, is passed through a guide plate, then it is coated with a resin in a resin bath using this pulley system. Then preformer is used to take out the excess resin from the fiber, and the forming and curing die is used to cure using the heat the filament so that the resin can be wet out on the filament and forms a layer over the filament. Then a pulling system is used to pull this resin coated filament, and finally the cut-off saw is used to cut the parts. Then this is also a pultrusion process with various reels fibers. Many fibers are drawn into a single fiber pulley and soaked in a resin bath, then passed through a pre-die former, then heated die, and through pullers. Finally it can be cut by a saw for the required length. The common resins used are unsaturated polyester, epoxies and silicones. Reinforcing phases, e-glass is mostly used. Products are solid rods, tubing, long flat sheets, structural sections, etc. And advantages are minimal kinking of fibers or fabrics. It is a rapid processing process, low material scrap, low skill labor required, good quality control, precise control over the product shape and dimensions. Potential problems are the improper fiber wet out. Fiber breakage may cause a great problem because if a fiber damages or breaks in between the process is repeated and the remaining fibers in this current process are getting waste. Then inadequate cure, die jamming can also occur due to the stacking of the fibers because of this resin or the fibers in the heated die or through the pulley system, and complex die design. This is the product formed from the pultrusion process: cylindrical, square, cut shape, L sections, T sections. These are the most shapes can be produced from the pultrusion process. So this is a short video, friends. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and please subscribe this channel for more videos. And so thank you for watching.